How to fix Instagram's emojis not showing. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your emojis problem on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. But first thing, you should clear cache of your Instagram application by go to your setting and go to application, choose Instagram and clear setting. Now the second thing, go to your Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you have open inside Instagram, that's need you are fine. But if you have instead open update, that's mean you should update your application. So now if you did that, go to your profile and click on those three lines, click on setting and click on help and click on report a problem and tell team Instagram what is not working on your Instagram. This is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.